Hello everyone, this is Alejandra from creatingwithali.com, and I wanted to share a really quick and easy card for the holidays. So Christmas is approaching and we need to get ready, and what's best to do? Christmas cards are really fast. So for this one I chose the Merry Christmas to All bundle, which has this beautiful thin lids, and again when you get them as a bundle you get 10%, so definitely is the way to go with that. And I'm also using the Timeless Tidings, which if you don't know, there is a kit to do that, so you can do already 20 cards really easy with this kit. But anyway, if you already had it and you want to use this set for your cards, this is also an awesome set to have. So I'm going to be using this image and that one. I die cut already the Mary from this set, and I'm going to be using the Christmas one. So this is what I'm going to be doing. So let's get it started. So I have here a piece of real red, and it's 8.5 by 5.5, and as usual we're just going to fold it in half. So let's just get started here. And then I have a piece of what is this? Whisper White, and it's 3.5 by 4 3/4, which is actually going to go in the inside. For the front, I have a piece of Whisper White as well, and this one is 4 by 5 1/4. Yes, 5 1/4, and a piece of Design Series paper, which is the one. Let me see, what is the name of this one? All is Bright Design Series paper, and it's really nice. This one is the one that has photography on one side, like more realistic, and then it has a nice design that you can use for other type of cards, you know, like the one. See that one? It's really nice. So anyway, so I have this one, and this one is 3 3/4 by 5. As usual, it's 1/4 of an inch smaller than the mat. So then I had already die cut one of the Marys. You can see how nice it looks. I think you're gonna look better like here. See how nice it is. And this is on the gold glimmer paper. And then I have a strip that is 3/4 of an inch by 4 1/4. And so this is what we're gonna be using now, because the Merry, what is the name again of this set? The Merry Christmas Tool is photopolymer. I like to use the Pierce mat. That way you get a very good transfer of your image. So we're gonna go ahead and put this one, and this one is gonna go. So let me just think about this. So this one is gonna go like so, and I want it to go here. So the Christmas should go somewhere here, and this is the only reason why I'm doing this, so I can tell where I'm gonna be stamping. I almost never do this because if I have an issue, I could stain the Design Series paper, but I'm gonna risk it this time. And so this is exactly where I want it, and I'm gonna press it. You can see it there. I'm gonna press it, and there we go. So that's how it is. And then for the inside, I want to have I'm going to use this for a second. I'm going to use a piece of scrap paper. I'm going to use the Call Me Clover, which is the same color that coordinates here. And I'm going to use the 3 from the Timeless Tidings stamp off. Actually, you know what? Probably not even a stamp off. I'm just going to go ahead and put it right there in the center. There we go. I'm going to close this because I don't have an issue. And I'm going to put in a Happy New Year. So I think it could go. There you go. I'm going to have it like so. Does that not look gorgeous? I think it is. And like I said, this is one of those that you want to do really quick, really fast. And so I think this is going to be gorgeous. So let's get everything together. So we're going to put adhesive in the back of our Design Series paper. Now, Stampin' Up! has said, or has released, or is going to release, I should say, in January. A set of framelits. So just waiting for them, because wouldn't it be nice to have that rectangle cut from here? I feel like I waste so much cardstock when I do mattings, but I love how it looks. So anyway, I'm so excited to have that, because that way I can cut a rectangle outside of this piece and then be able to use it, like for instance in the inside of my car. Wouldn't that have been nice? I think so. So let's stay tuned, because it's coming up. Okay, so then we have these, and we're gonna put the inside of our car. Oh, let me get this. There we go. I'm gonna put this one, and I'm gonna go ahead and put it right in the center. Then we're gonna go ahead and cut the I'm gonna use this punch. It was from the True Tailor. I don't remember right now the name of this one. I'll put it in the description of this video. I usually do this with my scissors, but I've been giving it a try just to see how I like it, and I think I like that I can do it really fast for the ones that I know I'm not gonna have a specific size. Like this one I know is gonna be the whole thing, so I think it will go right there. So anyway, so let's just put out this one. And doesn't it look amazing? I think it does. So let's just put this one right there. And then I'm going to be using glue dots for this section. So I'm going to go ahead and put, and you need to put them where you think you can hide them the best. And when you can't hide them, you just tuck them under, like in this case. Just tuck them under and it should be fine. And I'll probably put another one right here. And I think that's it. So there we go. How about that? Doesn't it look really nice? Real quick and simple. I love how it looks, and I love all these little stars from the design series paper, but I think it just looks fantastic when you open it and see another message inside. So anyway, like I said, this is really quick and easy, and just to get ready to make so many of those for the holiday season that it's arriving soon. And so anyway, as usual, don't forget about my ordering incentive. When you place an order with me using the hostess code that you can find at www.creatingwithali.com, you get a card kit in the mail to make 4 cards, and this is for 2018. That's my incentive in 2018. I might change things out next year, but at least throughout 2018, I'll be giving a card kit in the mail where you get 4 cards, all supplies included, everything included, as well as the instructions. And if your order is $50 or more, you actually get an accessory of the month. So anyway, thank you so much. I appreciate everyone's support, and I'll see you soon.